I am back within my brain, can speak back and forth again. Did you forget what you said? I get lost and I shouldn't know what it says. People usually don't see me more than lights and noise, but truth be told, the holes are wide open in the voice. So if you wanted to inside of the glass, look past what you know, 'cause truthfully I feel like a ghost. I won't pick up the calls, the static fades away. I won't pick up the noise to get purple from gray. I won't pick up the noise. I won't pick up the calls, the static fades away. I won't pick up the noise to get purple from gray. I won't pick up the noise. Nothing turns out perfectly, but no, I'm not above anyone's identity. The face of me is bonded with those I love, not attached to the holiness of the dove. And reflections and shadows will speak for themselves, but I'm just as delirious as everybody else. And opportunities come when you work hard, and I'm sure that all of us can make it just as far. Still, I won't pick up the calls, the static fades away. I won't pick up the noise to get purple from gray. I won't pick up the noise. I won't pick up the calls, the static fades away. I won't pick up the noise to get purple from gray. I won't pick up the noise. I'm counting on time to tell me what to do, 'cause all of this is still in the air. I'm counting on time to tell me what to do,